Need some help editing some content, brainstorming an idea, or even playing chess? The built-in gems in Gemini can help. In today's quick tip, we'll explore how. Inside the Notre Dame Gemini app at Gemini.google.com, you can select gems from the menu on the right of the screen. The built-in gems are displayed at the top. You can click Show More to see the full list. Gems use built-in resources and follow instructions that guide their behavior. This means they can act in specific ways different than a normal Gemini conversation. Use the writing editor to review content and get insights on how to improve it. Other gems will help you learn about specific topics like coding or playing chess. For something really special, explore the Storybook gem. Using your prompt, Gemini will create a fully illustrated storybook. This unique tool could help you craft a custom gift or generate new ways to present content. Because gems are reusable, you can start multiple conversations with them and focus on different topics without ever having to re-input the instructions. We'll explore how you can create and share your own custom gems in a future video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.